Welcome to TSFStocks.com. These tutorials will help you get the most out of your time here. TSFStocks.com forecasts specific limit order prices for each trading day, published 1 week in advance. Historical validation shows an average of 80% probability of profit on these trades. All forecast results are available for independent review. Once you create a free account, you can download all of the historical forecast data from every stock. TSFStocks.com lets you research the historical performance of stocks using the temporal structural forecasting methodology that tells you when to buy because the stock price is statistically low. Click on any ticker name to view the historical signal analysis for that stock. You can explore different forecast combinations for the stock to find the optimal configuration, and then add the stock to your watch list. The 14-day free trial subscription will send you the forecasted daily limit order prices for any 10 stocks you choose. Make your selections, lock them in, and click to start your trial. Every Sunday, you'll receive an email with the CSV files with the limit order entry prices for each selected stock for each trading day in the coming week. And if you start your free trial mid-week, you'll also get a bonus CSV with the current week's forecasts. Today is Wednesday, February 18th, 2026. And these are the forecasted limit order prices for my 10 stock picks for the week of February 16th, including the limit order prices for February 18th, February 19th, and February 20th. You can set the daily limit orders in advance. So for Friday, the limit order for advanced auto parts would be $53.02. Now, there's no guarantee the orders will fill, but if the stock's price drops below the forecasted limit order price, you'll have an open position with an excellent chance of making a profit. The research examples I use set a sell limit at a 5% profit target. For your free trial, I recommend looking for stocks that have been hitting this target in under 7 days. In 2026, Advanced Auto Parts has been hitting the 5% profit target in an average of 3.5 days. Historical validation shows that these entry timing signals have an 80% probability of being profitable within 120 days. If we change the max duration to 120 days, the effective value improves dramatically historically. Remember, past performance does not guarantee future results, and this is not investment advice.